Try something new with me by doodling with the sewing machine for today's junk journal spread. Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. Let's grab our junk journal and dive into junk journal January day 10. Today's prompt is mood, and I really wanted to try something new and different for the day. So I decided to try out, after sewing the trim in yesterday's spread, I really wanted to go further with exploration of sewing on paper in a way. So I decided to just get one of those scraps from the cover of my journal because it is really sturdy paper, and then I decided to go to the sewing machine and just try out if this would work. And first I did plan on I did sketch my kind of doodle I wanted to make on the top of the page, and I thought I would use the backside of it later on so that you don't see the painted part and only the sewing in a way. But in the end the sewing on top looked way cleaner, so I decided to just go with it and have the sketch also shown. Now let's also doodle a little smiley face, and I just had a lot of fun kind of experimenting with this kind of technique, and I feel like sometimes if you do something for so long you kind of have your mean two ways how you do things, and you always in a way kind of use the same techniques and everything. And I really had fun today by venturing outside those kind of familiar path and try something different. So I really am excited to just see what I can come up with to try next and just experiment a bit with some new techniques. I really love the texture this little sewing doodles add to the spread, but we're far from done yet. We really need to incorporate that into the complete spread for the day, and I decided to just start with some doodled smileys for different emotions and moods on top of the spread with some silver marker, and then just go from there and include a little quote. It's always my favorite if I don't know what to write about. I just love to include some quotes and make it a more visual spread. I feel like I'm always drawn to more of a visually kind of journal spread. I absolutely love how this spread today turned out. It has to be one of my favorites so far from this challenge. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried doodling with your sewing machine yet, or if you are going to try it. I had so much fun with it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative fun videos to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating!